Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store on your Samsung CU7000 LED TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to install new apps onto your Samsung CU7000 TV. Where do you actually go ahead and find the App Store? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to navigate to where it says search and then click on search. And then it's pretty simple, guys. From here, all you need to do is that you need to navigate to where it says the search bar up top. Press on OK on the search bar and then simply type in the name of the app that you want to go ahead and search for. So keep in mind though that not every single app is going to be on this Samsung. It depends on what model of TV that you actually have. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the App Store on your Samsung CU7000 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.